Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Playmobil Excavator is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys for young construction enthusiasts, offering a fantastic blend of imaginative play and hands-on fun that can keep children entertained for hours on end as they dig, haul, and build their own imaginary construction sites. Number 5. Kinetic Sand Construction Site Folding Sandbox. Get ready for endless construction fun. This playset features a working crane with multiple attachments for digging, building, and demolishing. It's designed for hours of imaginative play. Load up the included dump truck with 2 pounds of mesmerizing sand. Use the built-in brick mold to create your own walls and structures right on the construction site. Open up the sandbox to reveal a dedicated play space. When playtime is over, it conveniently folds up, storing everything inside for easy cleanup and portability. This construction-themed sensory toy provides a unique tactile experience. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, sparking creativity in kids aged 3 and up. Experience the one and only Kinetic Sand. Made from natural materials, it never dries out and sticks together for mess-free play and easy cleanup. It's safe for all your creative adventures. What we like. If you're looking for a mess-free and contained play experience, this is the one. The folding sandbox keeps everything together, and the kinetic sand never dries out, making cleanup a breeze. It's perfect for younger children who love sensory play and building. What people say. The excavator has a working conveyor belt that can be moved up and down. The excavator's bucket can be detached and reattached easily. The excavator features a rotating cab, allowing for 360-degree movement. Number 4. Bruder 02457 Cat Mini Excavator. Introducing the Bruder Cat Mini Excavator, a robust and realistic toy designed for endless fun. It's built with high-quality materials for durability. Crafted at a 1/16 scale, this toy offers an authentic look and feel, perfect for imaginative play. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Featuring a fully functional track system with 62 links, it's built to withstand challenging play conditions. This ensures it can handle even the toughest sandpit missions. Explore its adjustable leveling blade and openable cab doors. These interactive elements allow for enhanced, realistic play scenarios. Recommended for children aged 4 and above, it brings the world of construction to life. Please note, it contains small parts, so it's not suitable for children under 3. This powerful construction machine brings realism to children's games. It's the perfect addition to any young builder's collection. What we like. For the aspiring engineer or the child who loves realistic machinery, this excavator is a top choice. Its high-quality ABS plastic and detailed features, like the functional track system, offer an authentic play experience. It's ideal for those who appreciate durable, true-to-life construction toys for indoor or outdoor adventures. What people say. The excavator has a working steering wheel and a movable arm with a bucket. The bucket can scoop up and dump small objects, which is great for imaginative play. It's made of durable plastic and has held up well to rough play. Number 3. Kids Construction Toys Playset. Spark imaginative play with this ultimate fleet of construction trucks. This complete set brings any playroom construction site to life, perfect for little builders. More than just an excavator. This set features interchangeable attachments like a digger, drill, wood claw, and stone gripper. This versatility lets your little builder tackle any job, boosting creativity. Build crucial skills with these engaging toddler toys. The 360 degrees rotating cabin and dual control knobs improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Configurable traffic signs introduce basic rules, boosting cognitive learning. We know your child's safety is the top priority. That's why this set is built with durable, certified BPA-free ABS plastic, exceeding all safety standards. Every piece features smooth, rounded edges for peace of mind. Searching for the ideal gift? Look no further. This action-packed playset is the ultimate birthday or Christmas present for any young vehicle enthusiast. It's an excellent choice that grows with them. What we like. If your child loves variety and the ability to switch up their play, this 4-in-1 excavator set is fantastic. With multiple attachments like a digger, drill, and claw, it encourages creativity and problem solving. It's a great option for children who enjoy tackling different construction missions and developing fine motor skills. What people say. The excavator has a working steering wheel and a movable arm with a bucket. The bucket can scoop up small objects and dump them, which is great for imaginative play. It's made of durable plastic and has held up well to rough play. Number 2. Matchbox 15 inches Toy Recycling Truck. Get ready for big adventures with this large-scale recycling truck. It's designed for hours of realistic and purposeful play. This toy truck is hand-activated for loading, dumping, and rolling. A simple lever raises the bin to dump its contents right into the truck. Push the vehicle forward or pull it backward, then press the lever to activate realistic sounds. Press the horn above the cab to let everyone know you're on the move. It inspires kids to be everyday heroes. They can unload recycling or trash, getting the job done with this amazing vehicle. This large-scale truck provides endless opportunities for imaginative play. It's perfect for recreating real-world scenarios and encouraging creative storytelling. What we like. For a more interactive and auditory play experience, this large-scale recycling truck is a winner. The realistic lights and sounds, along with hand-activated loading and dumping, make it engaging for hours. If you want a toy that encourages imaginative play around real-world jobs, this is a great pick. What people say. The excavator has a functioning steering wheel and a movable arm with a bucket. The bucket can be detached and reattached easily, which is great for imaginative play. The Playmobil Excavator is made of durable plastic and has held up well to rough play. Number 1. Playmobil Tractor with Trailer. Introducing the Playmobil Tractor with Trailer, your perfect farm companion. Get ready to collect hay and harvest with ease. Its spacious trailer bed offers ample room for hay bales or your entire day's harvest. You can easily collect everything you need. Once filled, simply fold down the sides and back walls for convenient access. Or, tip the trailer to unload your harvest effortlessly. The included tiltable shovel makes scooping up hay bales a breeze. It can also raise them for easy transport to a new location. This set comes complete with a figure, tractor and trailer, hay bales, a shovel, and other essential accessories for endless farm fun. What we like. If you're looking for a classic farm play experience, this tractor with a trailer is perfect. The ability to fold down the trailer walls and tip the contents makes collecting and unloading hay or harvest incredibly fun. It's ideal for children who enjoy farm-themed adventures and hands-on play with accessories. What people say. The excavator has a functioning arm with a scoop that can be raised and lowered. It features realistic details like movable tracks and a rotating cab, making it engaging for imaginative play. The Playmobil Excavator is durable and holds up well to rough play, with sturdy construction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.